Exercise 1. Seated dumbbell waiter biceps curl. Targets the biceps, especially the short head. Sit with a dumbbell held vertically under the plates using both hands. Curl it up while keeping elbows tucked. Focus on squeezing the biceps at the top. Great for adding peak and control. Exercise 2. Dumbbell Zottman curl. Works both biceps and forearms. Curl the dumbbells with palms up, then rotate wrists at the top, so palms face down on the way down. This combo hits the biceps on the lift and forearms on the descent. Use moderate weight and slow tempo for best results. Exercise 3. Dumbbell incline biceps curl. Emphasizes the long head of the biceps. Lie back on an incline bench and let arms hang straight down. Curl dumbbells while keeping elbows back. Great for maximizing stretch and building biceps length. Avoid swinging and use full range of motion. Exercise 4. Cable one-arm curl. Isolates the biceps with constant tension. Stand sideways to a low cable machine. Grab the handle and curl with one arm. Keep your elbow fixed and wrist straight. Great for unilateral control, peak contraction, and correcting muscle imbalances. Exercise 5. Dumbbell cross-body hammer curl. Targets brachialis and brachioradialis. Curl one dumbbell across your body toward the opposite shoulder with a neutral grip. Keep elbows close to your sides. This builds arm thickness and forearm strength. Use controlled reps for best effect. Tree,